Hi, I'm Alan Whitworth. I'm a chiropractor from Advanced Chiropractic in Greenville, South Carolina. One of the most commonly asked questions in my office is, can you adjust bones without hearing a cracking or a popping sound? And the answer is yes, you can. At our office, we use precision adjusting equipment that moves the bones precisely and gently at the place we want to get the pressure off the nerves and get the pain and the tension relief. But there is no cracking or popping sound, and it's very effective at doing that without any of the cracking or popping sound.